Hey everybody, I hope y'all can hear me. There's quite a breeze out here. It's a welcome breeze though. It's got to feel like it's 105 or something like that. We're in Sango, Tennessee. A little bit east of Clarksville. It's considered Clarksville. We were in the search of my great-great-great-great-grandfather, the Reverend Alan E. Brown. My mind went blank, and we found his grave. And we've done a little cleaning on it with D2 and some water and a brush. What I do know of the Reverend Brown, he married Margaret Dixon. She was born in 1803 also. She passed away in 1880. They had, let's see, I think 6 sons and a couple of daughters. They had James Brown, Martha Brown, George W. Brown, William Brown, Mary J. Brown, Captain John P. Brown. He wasn't named captain when he was born. J.H. Brown and Josiah D. Brown. My great-great-great-great-grandfather, Alan Brown, was born in 1803. He passed away in 1870. They lived during some very crazy, intense times with the Civil War and everything leading up to it. It's good to find his final resting place. This is the first time in this cemetery. We used some D2 on it. You can actually read it now. It should clean up a little more in time, and you probably can't see this. It's tilted towards the camera, but I'm not going to mess with it. It's marble, and I think it's marble. And he's been laying to rest here for what, 150, how long? 155 years. But you can still read it. And you may be able to read it. Read the bottom. It says he was born November 22nd, 1803. Died May 22nd. That date sounds familiar to some of you. 1870. But I just thought some of you guys out there might be interested. Going deep roots today. 4-time great-grandfather. So we're going to end it there, and we'll catch you next time. Stay cool.